Hi, and welcome to Introduction of Building Predictive Models with Machine Learning and Python. My name is Rudy, and this is a course by Pact Publishing. Quick notes about myself. So I have 6 years of experience in data science. I have deep technical experience with quantitative trading and statistical modeling, and I'm currently building natural language generation technology. Let's take an overview of this course. What we'll learn is we'll start with getting started with Python's machine learning stack. So Python is a very popular language in data science and machine learning simply because there's a large ecosystem of data science tools. We'll then talk about building our first model, classifying iris flowers by petal length and width. We'll then talk about solving our first challenge, tackling bad data with pandas, and exploring various model types, SVMs, linear models, and random forests. And then we talk about grid searching, which is tuning our model for best results automatically. And in the last video, we talk about how we can keep challenging ourselves with online compositions and deeper and more complex libraries for machine learning. Prerequisites. This course is aimed at developers. So we assume that you have some knowledge of Python and you're comfortable creating non-trivial Python code. It will be helpful if you have some knowledge of mathematics. It's not a high level of mathematics, some basic knowledge and familiarity with things like vectors and matrices and linear algebra will be very helpful. We have 3 goals for this course. We want you to learn the tools that make up each stage of building a machine learning pipeline. We want to get you to get working with models and making predictions. And we also want to show you how to use Jupyter notebooks in a data science setting. Without further ado, let's begin.